All right, so LTX 2.5 is here, and this is awesome. Hey, I'm Harrison, and I build AI and procedural tools for AAA games. I've helped ship some of the biggest games in the industry, and I'm obsessed with everything AI and video and 3D. And let's look at this. We all love LTX 2.3, and I think we're going to love LTX 2.5. So right now, I'm just trying to understand because I just downloaded Minimax H3 and it's amazing, but it takes a long time to render. So I want to see what the real differences are for LTX 2.5 versus Minimax. I mean, these are looking pretty good. Like for most things, I think like we don't need as insane results as you get with Seed Dance and as you get with all these other models because most scenes are not hero scenes. Like we have B-roll, we have a lot of different types of scenes, and the thing that we want to figure out is quality-wise, what do you lose? So for a 5-second clip in LTX 2.5, you can generate that in potentially like, sub 10 seconds, which is insane. At this level of quality, that's insane. With Minimax H3, yeah, you're gonna get the good quality. However, it can take like 10 minutes on a GPU, like on a really good GPU on like 5090, RTX 5090. It can take up to 10 minutes to generate 5-second video, which is what I was doing. And like, I mean, this is Minimax H3, pretty good quality, not gonna lie. So you get audio with it as well. I mean, honestly, it's pretty insane what Minimax can do. It's like literally I have this on my computer. I've ran it. Like look at this. This is what I generated myself.
If you can hear me, follow this signal.
I mean,
some juries begin when the map runs out.
It was trying to say journeys. But yeah, so that's the real quality of that. And then we don't have this model in 1.2 GP yet, but it's coming soon. And you can see that the quality is really good. Like for most things, like look at that quality. I mean, for most things, it's going to be just as good, if not better, even better for things because time is money as well. And if you can generate a whole bunch of things, then you can get the one that you want, then it's worth it. And I honestly think this is going to just go all over the internet now. It's going to be everywhere. Just because, I mean, you can make a video in the time it takes to make a video. You can have the same length video. That's almost real time. That's insane.